Hey everybody, it's Carrie with Seed to Spoon. I just wanted to make a quick video just to let you know that we have a new update that just came out today. So be on the lookout for that. It's going to include some great things that I'm very excited about. One of the first things that it's doing is whenever you're scrolling through the plants list and you get to the very bottom, you don't have to keep scrolling back up to get to the top. You can just press that button on the plant button or press on the top and it'll scroll you right back up to the top. I've been asking them to do this for a while, so I'm very excited. I kept trying to do that and it wouldn't do it. And I was like, but luckily we got it now. I'm excited. And you'll also notice that there will be some new plants added in as well. We have one added in right now, which is yellow squash. And then I will be adding some more plants soon, so be paying attention for that. And then there was a bug that for some people, whenever you went to the can be planted filter, some of the plants that can be planted over the summer wouldn't show under that filter. So that is fixed now. So that way, whenever you are under can be planted, all of the plants that can be planted continually through summer should be showing up now for you as well. So if you don't already have our app, make sure you check it out. It's pretty great. I use it all the time. And you can find this new version of the app on the iOS and Android stores. We have a lot of new updates coming very soon as well, including the new custom plants feature, which everybody has been asking about. It is in testing right now. I'm very excited about it, and hopefully I will be showing this to you very soon. Thank you so much for watching, everybody.